Today's video is brought to you by LASFIT or LASFIT. I'm not sure which it is. And it really is brought to you by LASFIT. Full disclosure, they sent me these reverse lights to try. They wanted me to stick them in there and tell everybody what I thought about them. And but they made me pay like $3 in shipping. Thanks for the lights. So we're going to install them. First of all, we'll take a quick look at them. Again, these are reverse lights for your taco. And yeah, you get two of them. Just looking at them, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, there's a lot of lights on this thing. What's 4 times 4? 16. Okay, so there's 16 little LEDs on this thing. Wow. That's crazy. All right, well, we'll see how bright they are. We're going to install them. Installation is ridiculously easy. This is ridiculous. So you see, here's your tail light, and on the inside you'll see you have 4 10mm bolt heads. There goes Mo. Hey Mo. Long time no see, dude. And Bernie. Hey Bernie. Okay, back to the subject here. You're going to take out this one, and you're going to take the bottom one out. If you pull the rest of those out, it's not going to be a big deal, but you don't have to, so don't do it. Okay. There's the bottom one, and then this just gets pried off. Now mine's going to come off because I'm missing one of the little plastic keepers. But that's it. You just pull it off, get it out here where we can see it. And then your bottom one, here we go. This bottom one is your reverse light. So it just twists, pops out, and then that bulb just pulls out. And then the new one just pops on. Now I'm going to quick go start it up and throw it in reverse and make sure it works. Some of these the polarity matters, some don't. Huh. No polarity. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way they go in. Holy crap. Alright, well that's working. You can't actually see how bright that is on the daylight. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the other side, and then we're going to do a comparo as soon as it gets dark. So we'll compare these to the stock bulbs, and yeah, we'll see how well they work. So here are the stock reverse lights, and back there in the darkness is a white car. You can't quite see it, but as soon as I put in the LASFIT lights, then there it is. You can just catch it up there in the corner. I should have looked back at it some more, but these are obviously brighter. Now let's go back to the stock lights, and there's that white car again. So as soon as I turn my brake lights off, it disappears, and there it is. Now you can see it. And we're going to back up to within about 3 feet of it. I don't know how many more examples you need, but yeah, these LASFIT reverse LEDs are definitely brighter. There we go. So there we go. Back there in the gloom, you can still see the white car. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll put a link to where you can buy these lights if you want, and just use the coupon code John T. Young and get a discount. And as always, thanks for watching.